I think what is most impactful about what we do at Teen emPower is that we provide young people with information they desperately need to make healthy choices in their lives. And unfortunately, in our society, we tend not to share. Parents don't always have conversations because their parents didn't have conversations with them and their parents didn't have conversations with them. We need to change that. In one of our schools, the principal sent me a message and said, "I need you," because she had experienced 14 pregnancies in a middle school. But I think what separates Teen emPower is that we are the only organization at this point who are working with peer educators.
There's nobody else that's bringing in other high school students to teach with them, to teach to the younger generation.
The most impactful thing Teen emPower does is teaching these kids how to make decisions based off their own values.
I have loved every moment of it. I really enjoy going into the classrooms and teaching. I love interacting with the students. It's such a loving environment and accepting environment.
Teen emPower has been able to expand into all of the Middale schools, and it's the first time that's happened. That's huge.
So some feedback from the teachers that we get that we work with, they want us every year. Anytime we start sending out the schedules of okay, when can we come in? It's yes, sign me up, whatever you got, I'll take it.
This is my 6th year with Teen emPower in the classroom. So I have noticed that the students change their terminology from the first day that Teen emPower is with them to even the 2nd or 3rd. And they feel more comfortable asking questions or being more themselves because they can relate to those students.
And so by the end of it, they love the program. They're excited to go on to the next year.
Everyone is starting to feel something different, and when they do, they can be shamed, bullied. They have so many questions, and if they don't get the correct answers, then they're just keeping that inside, and they feel some type of guilt for how they felt, and that's not what we want. We want to make sure that everyone feels included and everyone gets questions that they have answered properly and accurately.
We've definitely lowered teen pregnancy rates. It's showing that what we're doing is important and it is helping the community.
Teen emPower is a nonprofit, so everything that gets poured into Teen emPower gets poured directly back out into the community, into our kids. So we rely completely on grant funding and donations.
Sexual health education is a wonderful investment. So funding means that we can continue. We are not only impacting the youth that we're teaching, but we are changing their ideas and opening up their minds to be able to have conversations within their families, and those families have the conversations within the community, and we are making long-term positive impact.